Wall designing with wood. Wood wall designing is a popular trend that adds warmth, texture, and character to any room. Here are some ideas and benefits to consider. Types of wood. Reclaimed wood adds a rustic, distressed look. Solid wood provides a natural, authentic look. Engineered wood, a cost-effective alternative to solid wood. Design ideas. Accent wall. Create a focal point with a statement wood accent wall. Paneling. Add texture and depth with wood paneling. Shiplap. Create a rustic, farmhouse look with shiplap boards. Wood slats. Add a modern touch with wood slats. Benefits. Adds warmth and coziness to a room. Can be stained or painted to match any decor. Durable and long-lasting with proper maintenance. Wall designing with tile. Tile wall designing is a versatile and creative way to add visual interest to a room. Here are some ideas and benefits to consider. Types of tile. Ceramic tile. Durable and easy to clean. Porcelain tile. Resistant to moisture and stains. Natural stone tile. Adds a luxurious, high-end look. Glass tile. Adds a touch of elegance and sophistication. Design ideas. Geometric patterns. Create a modern look with herringbone or chevron patterns. Subway tile. A classic, timeless look. Mosaic tile. Add visual interest with intricate mosaic designs. Accent tile. Create a focal point with a statement tile. Benefits. Easy to clean and maintain. Resistant to moisture and stains. Can be used in high-traffic areas. Tips and considerations. Consider the room's purpose. Choose a design that fits the room's function and style. Think about the color scheme. Select a design that complements the room's color palette. Don't forget about texture. Mix different textures to add depth and interest. Get professional help. Consult with a professional if you're unsure about the installation process.